Welcome everyone. Now let's start download Visual Studio. We can Google it, Visual Studio Community 22, okay, and choose the first option. Click on Downloads, and then we have three versions: Enterprise, Professional, Community. We are going to work with Community. Let's start download. It's just 4.2 megabytes. Okay. Now we have the installer for the Visual Studio. The next step, click on the installer of Visual Studio and let's see the configuration that we need to set up. Continue. I have the Visual Studio already installed, but you have to download and install your version. Here, this is the Visual Studio installer, okay. Instead of modify, you will find install. Because I have Visual Studio already installed in my laptop, it's called modified, not install. But the same, when you click install button, you can see a lot of configurations. You must choose a configuration that what I will tell you about, okay. Check box for .NET Desktop development only. You need to check box this only right now. .NET Desktop development. Take care, don't check box at anything because you will have free spaces and the total spaces. It may be affect your laptop space, and then install your configuration.